This is the best bag of samples I've ever received from Sephora. This is for Lunar New Year, and you can get one too if you act now. They have them around for the next while. I'll put the dates and the code that you need down below in the description box. There may be a minimum purchase involved as well, but I've noticed sometimes that changes with Sephora. This is their bag number 2. Now, at the time of this filming, there were 3 bags available. This is the one that I chose. It was the middle one, the 2. It's very hard to see when you're trying to order from Sephora, but what I will say is if you want this exact one, look for this in the photo. It is the most visible thing that you will see there because the other bags do not have this Kerastase conditioner. Let's have a look at what's inside. Now, before we get going, my name is Helen. Thank you for joining me here. Drop me a like and consider subscribing if you love beauty stuff like this. I'm also a writer. You can get my completely free newsletter, helenavery.substack.com, and I'll also link up an article that I wrote about how to get the best Sephora samples for free. Go ahead and check that out. I also have a video about that same subject, which I'll add to the end of this. Okay, let's have a look at everything that's inside this. Let's start with the thing that's popping out the most. So we've got Ilia. This is Ilia's True Skin Serum Concealer on a card. A few different shades there. I don't think any of these are my shade. K18, this is not the hair mask, which is amazing. I have a video on that, but this is Peptide Prep, their new detox shampoo. You use this before you use the K18 hair mask to get your hair really clean. I've never used this. I have used and enjoyed this product. This is First Aid Beauty's Pure Skin Face Cleanser. Removes surface oils, makeup and dirt, and impurities, safe for sensitive skin. This is a creamy, unscented formula. It works really nice. It doesn't do that good of a job of breaking up makeup. You may have to double cleanse, but if you're not doing that, it's actually a nice, gentle cleanser. Maybe a little overpriced for what it is though. Moroccan oil. I do not like Moroccan oil products, full disclosure, but this is a body lotion. I don't love their scent profiles, but I still may take this because I'm actually traveling. That's really what enticed me to this. I'm gonna be traveling soon, and so having all these little sample packages tend to be quite handy. Okay, what else is in here? This is the best one I think I've ever got. Okay, let's get you guys something juicy to look at. All right, so we've seen the one in yellow. That was what they gave away last year. By the way, last year, it was the exact same red. This is like so-called vegan leather. It's like a plastic pouch. It feels like leather. It's quite pretty though. So last year was the yellow version, I believe, and this year is the pink one, unless I'm confusing it with another huge sample set that I've got. Beija Flor Elasticream. Apologies for anyone who speaks Portuguese, and I know I'm butchering the pronunciation. I've never tried this. Nice amount, huh? Great for travel. I have tried this product, and it's great. This is the concentrated ginseng serum. Let me show it to you. Wasu? I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Probably not. But there's actually a generous amount in this. I've used this before because it's serum. It tends to go a long way. Like this lasts for, I want to say I was using it for about a week and I did like it. I like the scent. Peter Thomas Roth. This is one of these skincare cult favorites. This is Instant Firm Eye Temporary Eye Tighteners. I've never tried that. We'll try that. Luckily, I don't have too much going on. Please don't look too closely. I've been trying Adapalene, and I have these skin flakes to show for it. They're not too bad compared to Retin-A. Maybe I'll do a video about that coming up, but I do have a little bit of dry skin flaking off. Okay, so I'm very curious to try this. Instantly tightens and firms the look of under eye puffiness. Okay, that'll be fun to give a go. Look at this, guys. There's just so much good stuff in here. This is crazy. I'm not even done yet. Okay, this is Sunday Riley's Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, and there's quite a bit in there, so this is a good one. Oh, with a cute little pump dispenser. Okay. Yeah, sorry guys, I know it's not focusing that well. This is why I got this. For me, I mean, getting a sample kit, you have to have at least one thing you really, really love and you would pay money for, in my opinion. That was how I chose this one out of the others, because the other ones look good too. So there's this and a perfume that I wanted to try, which I'll show you guys in a minute. This is Kerastase Nutritive Lait Vital, and you guys know I love the shampoo version of this, Ban Satin. This is the conditioner that goes with it, which I don't usually bother buying. Is it a conditioner? Yeah, this is the conditioner. So I love the shampoo version of this. The conditioner I could take or leave, but again, I'm traveling, so this is perfect. That means I don't have to take any conditioner with me. Fabulous. Okay, what else have we got in there? There was so much stuff in here. Okay. Exciting, a silica packet. Okay. Paula's Choice BHA 2% liquid exfoliant. This stuff is amazing. I have a little one that I purchased. It's about this size, and I paid like maybe, I can't remember, under 20 bucks for a small one like this. It's really good. If you don't want to like use any retinols or anything like that and you need a bit of chemical exfoliation moment, but nothing too strong, Paula's Choice, really good. So I'll be taking this with me as well. Yeah, this is just perfect for traveling. That was actually what really attracted me to it. You guys, I love perfume, but I'm picky about perfume. Like I can try 100 perfumes and like one of them, maybe, maybe. This is Love Don't Be Shy by Killian. Look how big this is. The card is really nice, but it's just a normal sample size. This stuff is so expensive. I think if you want to buy a bottle of it, it's like $300 or something like that. Wow. So what I do with my perfume samples that I don't like, if I haven't used them, because I know I don't like them, like this one. This is the other thing that was in there. Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I do not like this. So I save my samples and I sell them on Poshmark, and you'd be surprised. People buy them because maybe they just want to try it and they don't want to buy a whole thing and they can't get out to like Sephora to test it or the department store to test it, or they just want to smell them out for travel as well. People do buy them from Poshmark. Okay, I want to try this now. It is so gentle and pretty. That's really, really nice. It says Neroli, Orange Blossom, and Marshmallow for those of you who are interested. I do not like this. This is instantly recognizable, the perfume that's shaped in a stiletto. What a cool bottle, but this is a real power perfume and it's not for me. So that was what was in here. Let me just quickly show you the other things that I got because that wasn't even the only samples. Okay, this must be a substitute because I did not order this. This is Ilia's Bright Start Activated Eye Cream. I rarely use eye cream. I don't really use it. I don't really buy it. They must have not had the thing that I was looking for. I can't remember what it was at this point. Maybe another perfume? Can't recall. This, I got more shampoos for my trip, of course. Liquid Glass Smoothing Shampoo, Liquid Glass Smoothing Conditioner. I have used this from Dry Bar and it's okay. I might even give it to the guys in my family. It's not really my favorite. Because it's my birthday month, I got this from Charlotte Tilbury. So if you are not a Sephora customer, when it's your birthday month, if you purchase something small, I think $25 worth, they will send you a little gift. Or you can even get it if you're there in person. There's like usually a couple gifts to choose from. Because I'm a VIB this year, I qualified for something nicer than usual. Well, no, it says Beauty Insider free gift. Okay, no, I lied. This is a Charlotte Tilbury set. This is the setting spray. Ta-da! I'm so ready for my vacation. Okay, this is a moisturizing magic cream. I don't love magic cream. I actually like Cicapace Balm B5 moisturizer much better than this, but this is tiny. I thought that this would be a bigger, it certainly looks much bigger from the picture here, but it's actually just a tiny little sampler. And then, oh, this is Pillow Talk lipstick. I thought it would be a kind of more normal size lipstick, but it's tiny. Look at the size of that. Okay, so apparently this looks light, but apparently it's universally flattering. Okay, let's try. I'm not wearing any lipstick, so let's put this on right now. Does that look okay? I don't know. I can't see myself that well. Let me look in the mirror. Okay, a little light, but passable, I think. So let me just very quickly, because I'm gonna wrap this up now, show you what it is I purchased to get this bag full of loot. Okay, I was skinfluenced by the two doctors on the Doctorly channel to try this out. This is Pharmacy's Clearly Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Breaking my own rule that I don't like to spend a lot on cleansers because they said it smelled really nice, so we shall see. This purchased for my trip to somewhere nice and warm because I don't want to be doing any heat styling. It's Living Proof's Curl Enhancer for Waves. I have used this before and I think I have a little, maybe a short somewhere. Maybe I don't have it anymore, but the cool thing about this is if you have wavy hair, normally my waves start from about there and down, but when I use this, the waves are like up here. So it does enhance curls even further up toward my scalp. And then of course, my all-time fave, High Impact Clinique Easy Liquid Liner. This is my favorite one for a really thin line, and then sometimes I go over it with Stila's liquid eyeliner. I know it's very extra to use two eyeliners, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed that quick one. Oh, I spent a lot of money at Sephora. Okay, so many great things here. And on second thought, I don't think I actually like this perfume now that I've sprayed it. Told you, I hardly ever like them. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. If you want to see my tips and tricks for getting the best Sephora samples, watch this next. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here. We'll see you on the next one.